Studying computer science and encountered TUR source code files? These are programs written in the Turing language created for teaching programming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and run these Turing source code files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening TUR files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. A user with a TUR file is typically a student or educator working with the Turing programming language, a system designed for teaching computer science concepts. Their goal is to open, edit, and compile the source code to run a program, often as part of an academic assignment or learning exercise. The TUR file is a plain text file containing source code written in the Turing language syntax. This text-based design ensures maximum portability and allows the code to be edited in any standard text editor. The structure is line-based, with specific keywords and syntax that the Turing compiler parses to generate an executable. The proprietary opener for the TUR file structure is typically Turing by Holt Software Associates. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows does not natively run scripting languages, so execution requires external programs. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the TUR file and hit Open With. Test Turing if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If the TUR file won't open, don't panic. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening in a text editor. TUR files are plain text, so open them in Notepad, Notepad++ Visual Studio Code, or any text editor to view the source code. For syntax highlighting, install a Turing language extension in VS Code, or use Notepad++ with a custom language definition. This provides readable colored code for studying or editing. Next, running with OpenT. Download OpenT or OpenTuring from compcci.ca, a free modern implementation of the Turing language. Open the TUR file in the OpenT IDE, which provides syntax highlighting code completion and a built-in interpreter. Press Run to execute the program with output appearing in the integrated console window. Finally, converting to other languages. If you need to use Turing code in other environments, manually translate the program to Python, Java, or C++. The structured nature of Turing makes translation straightforward. Procedures become functions, loops translate directly, and graphics commands map to libraries like Pygame or Java AWT in the target language. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.